Hi, my name is Sunjith. I am the co-founder at AMO Technologies Private Limited. I've been trying to jump on the GenAI bandwagon since the revolution started. But I had limited knowledge in Python and machine learning, so I was finding it difficult. And that's when I came across this Newline course and I quickly signed up, but I was already quite late. I joined 2 weeks into the course, but the onboarding was still good and easy. And with the video recordings of the previous sessions and notes and quizzes, I was able to quickly get to speed. And the course is structured and the content is very elaborate. It goes into almost all aspects of GenAI that you can think of. And teaching is very good. The team is really knowledgeable and they are experts in the field. And you can get a understanding from the fundamentals very easily. And there are a lot of hands-on exercises, homeworks, and we are doing a live project which we could use in production. That's really helpful in making your understanding concrete, and you can get really confident with programming GenAI. Initially, it was a little bit difficult for me, and I was reluctant to start the project because I was not knowing Python well, and I hadn't got enough time to do all the homeworks. I was thinking, although I had the idea from the beginning, I was thinking, let me learn some Python, do some homework, and then get started with it. But then the time was going on, and Zao pushed me into starting the project, and he said that the homeworks are really designed as a template from which you can copy paste code to begin doing your project. So then I started somehow, and initially the homeworks did help. I started with copy pasting code and had a little bit struggle with setting up Python environment, but the team helped very much. There are question answer sessions and project training sessions which are very helpful. You can get your problems analyzed and resolved in that, and then it was quite easy. There was a lot of guidance on using recommended models because I was working on a vision model to make sense of screenshots, what a user is doing in a particular screenshot or a screen recording. Zao recommended a lot of open source and free and license free or MIT kind of licensed models which I can use, which I could even take to production, and that helped a lot. I tried various models and shortlisted some that worked very well, and then I could complete the MVP of the project. It is like just making a summary out of screenshots. I'm very happy with this course. It helped me learn the concepts very clearly, and I understand, and I'm confident that I can develop any kind of AI applications, including AI agents or MCP servers, whatever. I understand the terminologies very well, and it's been a great journey. There's a great team of engineers in the class, and the class is very interactive. It's very interesting, and you learn quite a lot. It really helped me. Thanks a lot.